Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper crane flapping on special edition. So let's get started. You can use a A4 sheet of paper, but use origami if you don't have a silky one, because we're going to turn this into a square the easy way. So I'm just going to fold it like this, and no cutting required for this one. We're going to rip it. So as soon as you got this triangle, you're going to crease it because we're going to use it later on. Then fold it from the back to the back. This back part of the bottom part of the triangle is aligned with this rectangle. Fold. Then crease it. Then you're going to not open up the rectangle part. Keep it closed, but open up this part. And keep on creasing till it gets a bit bendy. When it gets a bit bendy, you're going to open it up. Then just flatten out from that side too. You don't need to crease. Then you're going to make a small rip here. Then you're going to just try to go along the fold. It's very simple. You can get it on your second try, maybe not your first. And who cares if there's this little part, we'll easily do that. Now we've got our square and now since we already have this part, we're going to fold it like this to make it super easy. I chose silky paper, as I said. Increase it. And now we're going to flip it over and fold it down from here, like that. Just make sure it's aligned. Now, as soon as you opened it up, you're going to flip it over again and do the same, just like that. This last one might be a little hard, but I'm sure you can do it. Then we'll crease it off here. We'll open it up and flip it over again. And you see how these are bending inwards? You're going to attach them. And these are bending outwards, so we can easily fold it like that. But to make it even easier, let's do that. And then you should get this square type diamond. And from the bottom, there's going to be like 3 flaps. 2 are on, one is on joint. So then from that flap, you're going to fold it like this. The corners of this fold, it's kind of like an airplane, but just in a different way. So you're going to fold it like this and do the same thing on the other side. Flip it over and same thing. Crease. And now, see this top part? We're going to fold it down. Press it down real hard. Then do the same with the other side. Press down real hard. Whoops. Alright, who really cares? Now, we're going to open one flap up and pick this part up. Now you can see that this triangle is going to try to hold it down. That's exactly what we folded it for. Then we're going to kind of bend it inwards and do the same over here. Now that we've got this shape, you can see that there's some flaps like this. Like kind of like that. But we have to do the same on the other side. And I'll just move this to position. You're going to want to make sure everything's kind of neat. Some parts might not be, like they will be creased. So then you're going to have to open it up from here. The same with here. You kind of push down. Then open it back into the same position. Then you're going to hold it like this, open it, then fold it up and in. Then we'll do the same with the other side. And now try to flatten everything out. Then you can see that it's made some sort of like stick. Then we're going to fold it down to here, around about. Then we'll do the same thing, like the exact same, but I like to keep one side a bit lower as for it's going to be the tail. So this is the tail, this is the head. The head, we're going to like kind of open this up, but keep it closed at the bottom. Then flat and poke it in. Flat it, and then we're not going to keep it like that. We kind of open it out. Something like this. Alright, now the next part, you're going to open these wings. You're going to curve them little by little until you're at the end. Then we're going to make a 1 centimeter gap and crease it. Crease it all the way along. And make sure you don't poke this inwards or else it's not going to flap. Then we'll do the same on the other side. And this time you may not have to measure because you can kind of copy from the other side. Now that you've got that, you're going to fold it up again. Like I'm going to fold it here because mine's simply paper. And just try to aim it right like that. Then once we've got that, we're going to slightly pull the tail and then it flaps. It's going to take a little bit of time to adjust, but your flapping crane is ready. Thanks for watching. It's a great crane, really. Special edition, remember,